Compatible cellular phones may be charged wirelessly on vehicles equipped with the wireless charging function. Depending on the vehicle, the charging mat is located in the center console or between the front seats in the storage compartment. Before charging, remove any objects which may interfere with the device's placement on the charging surface. Do not place ID cards or credit cards with magnetic strips or a chip on the charging surface, as the data could become unusable. A phone symbol in the mat indicates the center position for the wireless charging function. To charge, place the compatible phone flat in the center of the charging shelf, facing up. The charging process starts automatically. If equipped, the charging shelf cover should always be closed while driving. It is recommended to verify the device is charging prior to departure. An alert in the infotainment system indicates when charging begins.